Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from RBC to another bank online. First, open your RBC app and log in. On the home page, tap Move Money. Then choose Transfer to another bank or account. If this is your first time, tap Add Payee or Recipient. Then enter the bank details, name, account number, and transit information. Once added, select from your RBC account and to the recipient's bank. Enter the amount you want to send, review the details, and tap Continue. Finally, hit Transfer Now to complete the process. And that's it. Your money will be sent securely to the other bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.